Hello friends, I am Sujata, working as a assistant professor in PG and Research Department of Economics, ADM College for Women, Nagapatnam. Today we will see the computer application in economics. First we will begin with Module 2, Computer Hardware and Computer Software. Computer hardware, to discuss about the what is a hardware and what are the different hardware component, and the second part to discuss about the computer software, what is system software and application software. What is hardware? The term hardware refers to mechanical device that makes up computer. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that we can use to control computer operations, input and output. Examples of hardware are CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, etc. Next, to discuss about the components of computer hardware. The computer hardware comprises of three main components. One is input output unit, central processing unit, and third one is a memory unit. So this is a hardware component, is a collection of several components working together. Some parts are essential and others are added advantages. Computer hardware is made of CPU and peripherals as shown in the image. The input output unit consists of the input unit and the output unit. The CPU performs calculations and processing of the input data to generate the output. The memory unit is used to store the data, the instruction and the output information. First, to discuss about the input output unit components. The user interact with the computer via input output unit. The input unit accepts data from the user and output unit provides the processed data, that is the information to the user. The input unit converts the data that is accepted from the user into a form that is understandable by the computer. Similarly, the output unit provides the output in the form that is understandable by the user. The input is provided to the computer using input devices like keyboard, digital camera, scanner, and other input devices. At the same time, some of the commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. Next one of the component is the CPU. CPU is nothing but it's a central processing unit. The CPU controls, coordinates and supervises the operations of the computer. It is responsible for processing the input data. CPU consists of arithmetic logic unit and control unit. Arithmetic logic unit perform all the arithmetic and logic operations on the input data. Control unit control the overall operations of the computer. That is, it checks the sequence of execution of instructions and controls and coordinates the overall functions of the units of the computer. Additionally, CPU also has a set of registers for temporary storage of data, instructions, addresses, and intermediate results of calculation. Next, to discuss about the memory. Memory units store the data, instruction, intermediate result, and output during the processing of data. This memory is also called the main memory or primary memory of the computer. The input data that is to be processed is brought into the main memory before processing. The instructions are requested for processing of data and any intermediate results are also stored in the main memory. The output is stored in memory before being transferred to the output device. The CPU can work with the information stored in the main memory. Another kind of storage unit is also referred to as a secondary memory of the computer. The data, the programs, and outputs are stored permanently in the storage unit of the computer. Magnetic disk, optical disk, and magnetic tape are the example of secondary memory. Next, to discuss about the computer software. First, there is a picture for what are the different component of hardware device, that is DVD, hardware disk, motherboard, sound card, video card, power supply. So these are the different hardware component. Next, to discuss about the software. Computer software is nothing but it is a set of instruction that derive computer to do stimulated task is called a computer. Sorry, it's called a program. A software instruction are programmed into a computer language, translated into machine language and executed by computer. The software can be classified into two types. One is system software, another one is a application software. System software is nothing but it operates directly on hardware devices of computer. It provides a platform to run on application. It provides and support user functionality. Example of system software include operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix. So these are the different types of system software. Next one is the application software. Application software is designed for benefit of user to perform one or more tasks. Example of application software include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Oracle, like that. Next, to discuss about the what is hardware and what is software. Software is a collection of programs to bring computer hardware system into operation. So what is called as the hardware? The hardware include physical component of computer system. Next, the software includes number, alphabets, alphanumerical symbols, identifier, keywords, etc. Hardware consists of electronic components like integrated circuit, diodes, registers, crystals, board, like that. Next, the software product evolved by adding new features to existing program to support hardware. The hardware design is based on architectural decisions to make it work over a range of environmental conditions and time. Next, the software is vary as per the computer and its built-in function and programming language, depend upon the programming language. But hardware is mostly constructed for all types of computer system. Software is designed and developed by experienced programmer in any type of high-level languages. The hardware can understand only low-level language or machine language. Software represented in any high-level language such as BASIC, COBOL, C, CPP, Java, like that. At the same time, the hardware work only and binary code, zeros and ones. The software is categorized as operating system, utilities, language processor, application software, etc. The hardware consists of input devices, output devices, memory, etc. So, the previous slides to discuss about what is hardware, what are the hardware component, what is a software, what is a system software and application software. Next, to discuss about the programming languages. So a program is a set of instruction. It is called as a program. A program is a set of instruction that help computer to perform task. This set of instruction is also called as scripts. Programs are executed by processor, whereas scripts are interpreted. The languages that are used to write a program or a set of instruction are called programming languages. The programming language categorized into three types. First one is a mission level language, assembly level language, and high level language. Then how to representation of data and information. To a computer, everything is a number, that is alphabets, pictures, sound, etc. are numbers. A number system is categorized into four types. One is a binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and a hexadecimal number system. In binary number system consists of only two values, either 0 or 1. The octal number system represent values in 8 digit. Next, the decimal number system represent the value in 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. The hexadecimal number system represent value in 16 digit, 0 to 9 and A to F. Next, bits and bytes. A bit is a smallest possible unit of data that a computer can recognize or use. Computer usually use bits in groups. Next, what is bytes? A group of 8 bits is called a byte. Half a byte is called a nibble. What is text code? Text code is a format used commonly to represent alphabets, punctuation marks, and other symbols. There are four popular text code systems. One is EBCDIC, AICI, that is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next, extended ASCII, Unicode. So these are the data and the information representation. Thank you.